Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this super easy, extremely delicious chocolate chip ice cream. With only a handful of ingredients needed, you'll have it whipped up in no time. And I'll show you how the same recipe can be served two different ways. Into a blender we're going to add in 3 frozen bananas, the coconut cream, the maple syrup, the vanilla, and the cacao powder. Then give it a good blitz, and hopefully one that's a little bit more powerful than mine, but if not, just give it a few pulses, give it a shake, pulse again, and if needed, give it a good stir with a spoon. Then give it a good blitz till all the bananas have broken down and it's nice and creamy. It should come out looking like thick, soft serve. To that we're then going to add in the chocolate chips, then stir to combine. Now if you like your ice cream a little bit firmer, you can pop it into the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. But if you're like me and you like it soft serve style, you can serve it straight up into a bowl. Now of course you can serve it just as it is, but I'm going to top it off with some cacao nibs and some shredded coconut. Oh yeah! Now if you've been very patient and had it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, simply run an ice cream scoop under some hot water and scoop it out. This time I'm just going to top it off with some cacao nibs. Yum! So thick and creamy, it's absolutely delicious. Yes, please. As always guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do, hitting the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!